Some of those black dresses would be
people
perfect.
are gonna want to get dressed up now for the first time, really.
Yeah, people might be able to actually go to
Parties.
events and parties and family occasions this year. Not that I have anything I'm really doing, but do you?
No.
Like, isn't that the sweetest? Now, wouldn't this be so great for like a wedding as a guest?
A wedding.
Or graduation, or, I mean, it's pretty fancy. What do you think of this one?
I've never seen anything like it. I think it's fantastic.
It's all. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. Friends, this is a Jomar Wholesale unboxing, and I think that this is the best Jomar Wholesale box I've ever received. I am like so stunned and surprised. So let me tell you a little bit about the box, and we'll go from there. So this is a brand called Foxy Docs. Have you guys heard of it? I had not even heard of it. It said on the description that it's 25 pieces, nude tags, ladies. And there were some photos and it looked cute. I saw some skirts and a dress or two. The cost of this box for me, including shipping and with my Jomar Wholesale discount, was $225.03 for 25 pieces. So I'll pop up on the screen what that means each piece costs. The thing that is so stunning to me about this box, friends, is that I already opened it. I was not even going to film an unboxing like I usually do because I thought, okay, it's all nude tag, it's all the same brand, Foxy Docs, it's all dresses. I just didn't think it was going to be a very interesting video for you guys, so I opened it up on my own, and I wish you could have seen me. My jaw was dropping. Like, this is just truly beautiful clothing. Stuff that is sometimes sold at Anthropologie. So it's a brand I want you to know about, maybe to keep your eye out for. I buy these Jomar Wholesale boxes so I can resell this stuff on eBay and Poshmark. So I bought this box because I saw that the brand sells particularly well on Thredup. I made a video about learning to sell on Thredup, so if you want to follow along with my journey, I'm taking a course from Rebecca, the reseller, and there's a link in the description to that below. My mom is on her way over for dinner tonight, and I thought I'd record this video with her. Like me, my mom just loves beautiful clothing, and I think you might enjoy seeing us enjoy this extraordinary Jomar Wholesale box. So when she comes over, I'll share the stuff with you and I'll record it. And be sure to stay till the end of the video because that's where I put my bloopers, where we get to laugh and have a good time. So I'll see you at the end of the video for the bloopers. Okay, friends, like I said, my mom. You've seen her in some other videos. We call her Grateful Babette since I'm the Grateful Queen. And I knew I had to share this box with her. I've already looked at things for a first time, but I'm going to share them with her, and you guys, maybe you'll be like me, just as blown away by this gorgeous box. Okay, this is the first dress.
Oh my God.
I know.
That's a dress?
It's a dress. So I'll show. So this is sort of what I'd call like, is it like a tunic or a sheath? No, a shift, because it's not all fitted. So this has a, this is what the Foxy Docs tag looks like, friends. I'll show you because they're all the same brand. Trying to get that to focus.
The embroidery
I know.
is just...
There we go. And then this one has an Anthropologie price tag for $225 on it.
Oh.
Can you believe? So, I mean, look at the embroidery.
It's so beautiful.
It's interesting because it's like a gray and white pinstripe.
Right, the classic pinstripe. Like, isn't that odd to have the embroidery?
I know.
Overlaid.
It's kind of cool.
That,
I'm just
look at the bottom.
I know. Look at the heavy embroidery. It's an extra small, so it's not fitting me or anyone I know. Absolutely gorgeous. So this was the first dress I pulled out, and I was like, "You've got to be kidding me!" So
unbelievable.
Yeah. Now I did mention that I got multiples in this box, but I only got one of these and one of these. Now this one, it's just so good, friends. Wait till you see this.
Oh my
So this is like a long maxi or midi dress.
Talk about romantic.
Romantic, yeah.
And the pink and the...
I know.
I've never seen anything like this.
And look at the hem. So it's all lace. It's the entire thing is lace. So isn't that just so beautiful? I mean, I would wear that, but this one's a size small. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece, right?
Is that the same label or a different
They're all
label?
the same label. They're all this label called Foxy Docks.
Foxy Docks.
Yeah, have you heard of it?
No.
Me either. I've never heard of it. But apparently some pieces are sold at Anthropologie.
Oh, right. So now we know. 'Cause
No.
Anthropologie is just exquisite.
Gorgeous and expensive. And
I remember in
so
Boston.
this... Okay, I've got to show you... So this dress, look at the...
Oh.
I know, I knew she would love this part.
Oh my God.
It's all, like it's got an applique of flowers on the front. If I put it up close to the camera, they can see. And then all beads. So it's sort of an off-the-shoulder mini dress because it's got the straps. And then it goes kind of off the sleeves. It's got a chiffon sleeve. Just like, isn't that the sweetest? Now, wouldn't this be so great for like a wedding as a guest?
A wedding.
Or a graduation, or, I mean, it's pretty fancy. It's really beautiful.
Oh,
It's really beautiful.
it's so beautiful.
I know.
It's amazing to me.
Wait, I know. My mom's favorite is black.
So,
All black all the time.
I did see something black.
I know.
Oh,
This is these are pretty fancy dresses.
yeah.
So this one
Dressy.
is what I'd call a sheath dress. It's kind of fitted.
Oh my God.
And again, heavy embroidery. But look at the neckline.
Oh, scallop.
Scalloped. Yep, it's all a scallop neckline. So
And the sleeves.
can you imagine what that looks like on? Just really spectacular.
Beautiful. What size is that?
This one is a large, but
Oh, doesn't.
no,
look
there's
that large.
I'm really happy with this box because I got a variety of styles and a variety of sizes. I got extra small through extra large. But I don't know if this is more of like a young woman's brand or something because even the large and extra large, I mean, I am a very curvy, I'm moving on up to like, sizes, but nothing in here fits me. This is a skirt. It's the only skirt I got instead of a dress. Just a really pretty, feminine, long skirt.
Oh, it's
with
beautiful.
that tier, and it's lined.
The lining.
Yeah, and the fabric, see how it's, there's all this, like, detail.
Oh.
It's sort of sheer
It's
in
sheer
between.
in between the print. Oh, how interesting.
Just really pretty. Okay, this is probably my favorite one, even though, I know, I don't think of myself as, like, super pink.
Pink person, but there's just something about it. The pleated, what is this called? It's not pleated.
It is, it's called a micro
is
pleat or an accordion pleat.
Accordion.
So it's got that,
And look at the top.
I know.
And there's something about just the black straps and the little black tie
Yeah.
that.
Oh, the
just
tie
a
around the
nice
waist.
detail.
So, like, if I was listing this, it has so many gorgeous
So
style
beautiful.
details. So I would say new with tag, Foxy Docks, woman's dress, size XL. That's amazing. They gave me some XLs.
That is an XL.
I know. It doesn't, I know. It must run small. I know. Not our. And then I would say, like, cocktail dress. And then I would
Yes.
say ruffles, romantic, feminine, accordion pleat. It's just so gorgeous. I think you're right, Mom. I think
has
it's
everything.
It's the contrast. The black makes it look not quite like Barbie doll, too pretty,
Right, Exactly.
Gorgeous. That's one of my faves.
So far, I've never seen a box like this.
No.
I know I say this probably every time, but I'm telling you, this is amazing.
I think this is one of my best boxes I've ever got from Jomar Wholesale.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you guys that in my description section of the video, I have a link. If you use my link and you use my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word, you get a discount at Jomar, and then I earn credit so I can do more boxes and more videos for you guys. I mean, it's just amazing. So I got several. I got multiples. This was a box of 25, so I got several of these black. So I know they don't fit me. So I got several of them, so I'll sell. I think I'm going to send some into Thredup, and then I'll try and sell one on Poshmark and eBay and kind of see how I do.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah,
all the same size?
No, they're different. I got a large, I got a medium, so that's always great for a reseller. God. They're stunning. It's like, who do we know that I
was
could
just going to say
Thora, maybe, but I don't think this is her style. Thora. I did just send my sister Thora a mystery box. I packed it up, a large priority mail box of
It seems to me that would be everyone's style.
I know, but
it's so beautiful.
I don't know. Okay, let me see if there's a few other. Oh, wait till you. It is. Well, it almost reminds a little bit Asian inspired or something with the scallops and the colors, and the embroidery is so heavy. So there's a few more styles. Oh, I only got one of this dress. I didn't try this on, but this is a 12. So some of them are small, medium, large, extra large. This one says 12.
Looks
maybe.
Like it would fit.
So this is a really different style. What do you think of this one?
I've never seen anything like it. I think it's fantastic.
It's almost like a heavier weight knit, like a scuba knit or something.
Yeah,
and then it's got all this crochet and lace and velvet straps. It does look a little bigger, but I don't know if that. Out of all the dresses, is that a lily or something? What's that?
What is no?
Orchid.
It's an orchid.
An orchid print.
An orchid. That that's
special.
Yeah,
that
is.
So I only got one of those. Wait till you see this one. So some of them, you guys, are still in the bags. I have one that's already open, but I mean, sometimes when you get wholesale from Jomar or anywhere, it might not always have the tag, or it might have a flaw. Every single one of these has a tag, and they're all, I haven't found any flaws on anything. So in this box, I've got, like we already looked at this dress, I've got multiples. This one's kind of fun and flirty. I mean, they gave me so many styles, and they're just amazing. I'm really, really happy with my Jomar stuff. Now, I don't know what boxes you're going to get. They're mystery boxes. I've gotten boxes that are not so great. I've gotten amazing boxes. It's always a little bit of a risk, friends. But check out my other videos and see if it would work for you and your business.
Well, let's see.
Look at this one. This one is so cute. Okay, so again.
Short. It's short.
It's short, yeah. And then what is happening here? Like just a bunch of ruffly layers.
Wonderful. Ruffly.
Now Thora might wear this sort of thing. This is cuter, but I don't know.
What size is that?
A medium. So, just like there's so many details, friends. There's all this lace around. Are these like, I don't know if they're lily. They're like water lilies or something. But isn't it cute? This one has the tie and then tears.
Wonderful. It's very whimsical.
Yeah. This one might be.
And look at the tie. There's just something wonderful about it.
They're so wonderful. I mean, I didn't even know this brand existed. So now you can keep your eye out for it, friends, and see. Okay, so there's a few more. Foxy Docks. I'll show them. This is a different one. It looks like this. Foxy Docks. And then it says something on here kind of cute, like made with love. Yeah. So this one I wanted to fit me so bad, but it has that sausage factor on me because it's all smocking. So,
oh my goodness.
When you have this tight elastic.
A combination of print, too.
I know.
It's so interesting.
So cute.
It's very sassy, don't you think?
Sassy. Maybe I'll put that in my title on eBay and Poshmark. A very sassy women's dress. I just think adorable.
Adorable, yes.
Okay. I think I have two more styles in here. Okay, this is crazy. I mean, this is a really long maxi dress. This one's in a large. I didn't try this one because it just seems like... So it's got a halter neckline. See this style of neckline? I've got to hold it up for you guys. Yeah. It's a long dress.
It's practically a gown.
It's a gown. It is a gown. It's all the way down. White eyelet, and then it's got this embroidered flower.
Unbelievable.
I mean, it really does go, this drags.
So wouldn't you have to be really tall?
I'm wondering, and these romantic, like, feminine dresses have been so popular in 2021. I think that this might be a style that kind of drags. Like, it's worn long.
White.
I know. And then look, it's got a long slit. I didn't notice that.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, isn't this neat?
I'm amazed. I've just never seen anything like this.
I know. It's a really unique brand, I think. Maybe that's why it's carried at Anthropologie, because that's what Anthropologie carries.
Right.
Really unique.
Very unusual items.
Right.
Yeah.
With lots of detail.
Right.
You know,
right.
lots of detail. All right, the last one I saved because it's black, and I think my mom will love it. I mean, there's a lot of them in here, but I got multiples. So, do I have a black one that's out of the bag? Here it is. This is a gown. So,
oh my God.
I know. I don't even know how I'll describe this to them. It's almost like a flapper dress. Okay, so it's a long black gown.
Oh my God.
What are those little leaves,
That's
Mom?
like mermaid,
Oh.
what would you call them?
Scales?
Yes, that's what I'm thinking.
No.
I know.
I was thinking leaves.
You
I
can
don't know.
say
Let us know in the
leaves,
comments
but
what do you
doesn't
think.
it look like a mermaid?
Yeah,
type?
now that you say that, it
Yeah.
does. It's got a high neck, but you can see it's got this sheer chiffon on the top.
Unbelievable.
So, you know, this would be pretty sexy because it's somewhat sheer, so you'd kind of see the top.
Oh my God.
And it's got a shimmer like a mermaid, you're right, because it's got
gold.
It has,
shimmer.
yeah, it has gold kind of flecks on some of it.
Oh, I'm speechless.
Is it just like, I know, isn't that sensational?
Oh,
This is a small, I think I got 2 or
Small.
3 of these in a small. I don't know where someone would be wearing this. Like, it's a really fancy,
it's very
like going to the theater or the opera or something.
opera, yeah.
Or, I don't know, it's a gown. Absolutely stunning, I
It is
think. I mean,
gorgeous.
so those are all the different styles, and like I said, I got multiples, and I'm going to send some of them into Thredup because it looks like they sell for more on Thredup than they did on eBay. I'll still check Poshmark, but
Unbelievable.
I know. I think they're extraordinary dresses. I'm really happy with this box. It's got to be one of my best boxes I've ever received. It's sold out right now, but when you're on Jomar, you can choose to hit a button that'll notify you if it gets restocked.
Oh, you mean
So,
that particular
brand box, yeah. Because they sell out. Like, the good stuff sells out really fast. I really recommend getting on their email
and with
list.
holidays coming up.
That's a really good point.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, holidays. There'll be holiday
Yeah.
events. Like that black dress. Some of those black dresses would
And
be
people
perfect.
are going to want to get dressed up now for the first time. Really.
Yeah, people might be able to actually go to
Parties.
events and parties and family occasions this year. Not that I have anything I'm really doing, but do you?
No. Unless you're doing it.
So,
Yeah.
you know, I'm really happy with that box, but I'd love to
Beautiful.
hear what you all think. Thanks, Mom, for unboxing with me.
You're
I knew
so
that you were
welcome.
I knew
This
you were
was
gonna love.
So much fun. I really think these dresses are unique.
They are.
Truly.
Yeah. Yeah, they're special. They're really special. So hopefully they'll sell well and we'll make some profit on this box.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. That was like my mouth suspended in air. I'm just like, wow. Wow, it was such a good box. There I go again. Lost for words, can you say? I'm also new to selling on Thredup. I made a video once I get this hair out of my face. So, look at, what do I need to say about this? Anyway, what else was I saying? Oh, I think this going. My arm looks weird. Does that look weird? Like, that's strange. Okay.